Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Google Gemini to N8N. First, ensure you have an active Google Cloud project and an N8N instance ready. You'll need to enable the Gemini API within your Google Cloud console and generate an API key. Keep this key safe, as it grants access to your Gemini services. We'll then navigate to N8N to begin building our automation workflow. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth integration process. Now, let's jump into N8N and create a new workflow. Start by adding a new workflow and then search for the Google Gemini node. Drag and drop it onto your canvas. This node is the core of our integration. Next, you'll need to configure it with your Google Cloud API key. This step authenticates N8N to communicate with Gemini, allowing you to leverage its powerful AI capabilities within your automations. With the Gemini node in place, it's time to fine-tune its settings. Select the appropriate Gemini model that best suits your automation needs, whether it's for text generation, summarization, or other AI tasks. Carefully define the input parameters that Gemini will receive and how you expect the output to be structured. A quick test with some sample data will help ensure everything is working as expected before deploying your workflow. Finally, it's time to test your complete N8N workflow. Run the entire sequence to see how Gemini processes your data and delivers its output. Carefully review the results to ensure they meet your expectations and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, you can activate your workflow for continuous operation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to *the simple path to wealth * and other great deals that might interest you. This integration opens up many possibilities for intelligent automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.